Hey guys, welcome back to Rollin' Smoke AZ. It's been a while since I did a couple videos, and I'm gonna do a really cool one today. So me and my wife started doing keto again, and we've been on it for, on and off a couple years. And the first time was really good, really successful. We lost about 12 to 13 pounds in 2 weeks. And of course with keto, you gotta just eat fats and lay off the sugars, lay off the carbs, keep it low carb. So we try to keep around 3 to 4 grams of carbs a day in our system. So we want some sweets. We want something that's kind of sweet and healthy. So we're gonna show you guys how to make keto cheesecake. It's awesome. It's crustless, and all it consists of is some sour cream, cream cheese, eggs, vanilla extract, and some artificial, xylitol sweetener. So let's get it started. All right, guys. So first step is you want to take 3 8 ounces of cream cheese, and we're gonna pour it in the blender, of course, just like this. Get it all ready. And this is really good because very low carb count, and it's just mostly like fat, which is good because that's what your body's gonna be using for fuel instead of carbs. So once your body knows that you don't really have any carbs anymore and you need fuel, it's gonna start eating that fat in your body. Next thing we want to do is take 1/3 cup of sour cream. Take 1/3 cup here. Fill that up. Throw that right in there. And then you guys can get any artificial sweetener. This is Swerve. It's pretty good. It tastes kind of just like sugar. It's granulated. So we want 1 cup of this. All right. Pour that in there. Okay. Then we're gonna do, we'll put the 4 eggs as we're blending, but what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do 1/3 or a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour that right in there. Okay. And you can add vanilla as you're going and tasting it, see if you need more or not. Okay. Get these all here. So do 3 first, go ahead and start blending, and then we'll throw the 4th one in there once it's all blended up. Go. So let's check this out. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. All right, we're gonna go ahead now and just take it and dump it into a pan. Make sure you get it all in there. Make sure you scrape this all on the bottom and looks delicious. And you can pretty much almost eat up to like 2 slices a day if you wanted to, depending how big your slices are, because it's just that low in carbs. And there's not real sugar in it, so that's what's good too, is it cuts that out, and you can minus that from all your macros as well. So you take your carbs minus your sugar alcohols, and then there's no added sugar, so you're good on that. All right, so now you just gotta preheat your oven to 350. And then once we get that, we'll throw it in for about 50 minutes. All right, this is now ready to get taken out. It's been in here for what, 45 minutes? It looks like. Looks really good. Okay. So what you want to do next is just let this sit out and cool down for 1 or 2 hours, and then you want to put it in the fridge and let it chill for 4 hours. So we'll go ahead and let that happen right now. All right, folks, so this has been sitting in the fridge for about 4 hours already, and we're going to go ahead and cut right into it, a little slice here. Let's see how this turns out. Check that out. How delicious does that look? It's all crustless as well. Go ahead and put that there, and if you want, you can get some sugar-free jam or strawberry or whatever you like and put it right on top of that. Just do a little bit here. Let's take a bite of this. That's where it's at. So this whole thing is a total of 3 gram net carbs, which is really good. You can eat about 2 of these if you wanted to. Alright guys, if you like this video, I'm going to drop the recipe down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next cook. Have a good night.